Hello again, this is Brent McCall at MetraAV booth at CEDIA 2022. Behind me, what you're seeing is a full 48 gig 8K picture using a prototype rock chip board. But what's unique about this is we're running this through an 8-meter passive 48 gig cable. Very unique product that gives you full capabilities for everything within the HDMI 2.1 domain over a passive, no electronics required, 8-meter, which is 26.3 foot cable. Tremendous amount of flexibility, great for projectors and flat panels going a distance where you don't want to have to worry about any kind of electronic incompatibilities. It is available now and in stock. Thank you. By the way, don't forget to go to MetraAV.com, 866-839-9187.